Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and I have a follow-up question as to what happens after you make that call to the not 911, but to the Child Protective Hotline.
So when you make the call to the child hotline, if the report is accepted, then what happens is they send that to the county in which it pertains to that has the jurisdiction, and they will review it, whether or not it rises to a certain level. If it's immediate action, they will dispatch a worker to your home to go over the reports with you and do the required paperwork and steps. If it is not something that rises to an imminent risk of danger where it needs immediate action, they have up to 24 hours in which to start the report. And at that time, they will sign a caseworker and then dispatch that caseworker out to speak to the children either at school or if it's on a weekend at your home. And please note that these are not announced visits. They will be unannounced.
Great. And here's just a quick follow-up. What happens if they feel it doesn't rise to it? Does that mean they just close out the case, or does it stay open?
No. So what it means is if it rises to an immediate level where they need to take action immediately, that'll come out. If they don't rise to that level, they can have up to 24 hours to initiate the investigation. They have to keep the report open for a certain amount of time before they can close it out, regardless of if it's founded or unfounded.
Great. Nice answer, Tim. And again, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like us on our page. And we'll see you next time.